Every week, the first page of the module will describe for you the things that you have to do that week. And I'll include a short video that will highlight the things that I think you should be careful about, the places where you may stumble. So this being the first week of the semester, it's a little bit of an unusual week in that we meet on Friday. Normally, we will not see each other. Before we meet on Friday, there are a couple of things that you need to do. The first is the syllabus assignment. You can access the syllabus assignment either by clicking this link here. You can also go into modules and you'll see the syllabus assignment in the Start Here module. So you can find that there as well. The other thing that you need to do is you need to go in and register for MyMathLab, and you need to complete the orientation, which is 10 very short questions for you to answer that kind of just shows you how to use MyMathLab. Registration for MyMathLab is you purchasing the book. So it costs about $105. You can get 14 days of free access, and it's all self-explanatory when you go into MyMathLab. If you have used MyMathLab before, the process for registration is different when the course is accessed through Canvas. So please click on this link here to see the instructions for how to register, or once again you can go into the modules and there's a link here to a video and a PDF file that shows you how to register for MyMathLab. Those are two things that must be completed before we meet on Friday if you want to stay in the class. Okay? Every week we'll have preview questions that are due, and we'll talk about those more on Friday when we meet. This week they're not due until Friday night. Normally they're due on Monday nights, and the idea here is that you preview the material and see maybe it's a week that you don't have to spend a lot of time on your math because you kind of understand everything already, but maybe it's a week where you need to know early that you're going to struggle, and so you set aside a little bit more time for your math work. The preview questions are usually 3 or 4 questions. They're true, false, they're multiple choice. It's not supposed to be something stressful, just an indicator of what you do and don't know for the week. On this page every week you'll also see the materials that are due, or the things that you should be reading and looking at. So for this week you'll need to understand the material from Chapter 1, Section 2.1 and Section 2.2. And again, you can access those materials either through this page, or you can go into the Week 1 module, which is right here, and you can see those same pages, Chapter 1, Section 2.1, Section 2.2. This is also where you'll find the homework. So if I go in and I scroll down, you'll see the material that you can read, and then you'll see these orange buttons, and if you click on the orange button it will take you to the homework, and you can access the homework that way. All right. There's also group work due every week. This week we'll take care of it when we see each other on Friday, and I'll explain it more. If you have any questions, I'm always available through email, or you can look at the syllabus for my office hours. I look forward to seeing everybody on Friday.